I bought and tested these electronic drum sets for kids so you don't have to waste your money. As a parent and a music lover, I know how crucial it is to find the right starter kit for your budding drummer. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that not only promise fun, but also help nurture their musical talent.
Product number 1, VTech Kitty Star Drum Pad. When I first laid my hands on the VTech Kitty Star drum pad, I was immediately struck by its vibrant design and kid-friendly dimensions. This drum pad, measuring 11.06 by 18.46 by 5 inches, is lightweight at just 3.97 pounds, making it perfect for little hands. It's designed for kids aged 5 and up, which is great because it means it's tailored to their needs. The most exciting feature is its 20 different drum sounds ranging from rock to jazz. I could see my kids' imagination running wild as they experimented with each style. What's truly impressive is the ability to play along with over 30 built-in songs or even record their performances. My child loved hitting the record button to capture their unique creations, and it's a joy to watch them replay their work and share it with family. The Bluetooth connectivity was a game changer, allowing us to connect our devices and jam along with their favorite songs. The built-in speaker is decent, but there's also a headphone jack for quiet practice. However, I noticed that while the 3 games included are fun, they might become repetitive over time. Overall, the VTech Kitty Star drum pad is an excellent starting point for kids who are just discovering their love for music and drumming. Why buy it? It's an engaging all-in-one package that encourages creativity, coordination, and a love for music right from the start.
Product number 2, AODSK Electric Drum Set. The AODSK Electric Drum Set is a fantastic option for kids and beginners alike. As I set it up, I appreciated that it comes with everything you need: 4 6.5-inch drum pads, 3 cymbals, and even a throne and drumsticks. It's made from durable materials that feel sturdy, yet it's lightweight enough for easy transport. The sound quality is remarkable, boasting 150 sounds and 15 different drum kits, which provide an authentic drumming experience that was surprising for an electric set. I was particularly impressed by the realistic acoustic drum sound samples, which kept my kids engaged and encouraged them to explore different music styles. The set even includes a built-in metronome, which helps with timing, a crucial skill for any musician. However, the setup can be a bit complicated for very young beginners, and some parents might find the price tag of $189.99 a bit steep for a child's toy. Still, it's perfect for those who are serious about learning. Why buy it? The AODSK Electric Drum Set is not just a toy, it's a comprehensive drumming experience that can grow with your child as they advance in their musical journey. Product number 3, Verktop Electric Drum Set. When I first unrolled the Verktop Electric Drum Set, I was amazed by its portability. It's a roll-up drum kit that easily fits into a back, making it ideal for on-the-go practice. Weighing only 1.92 pounds, it's incredibly light, and the 7 pads mimic a real drum setup, with 3 toms, a hi-hat, a snare, a ride, and a crash. The sound is impressive thanks to its built-in stereo speakers that offer 10 levels of volume. I loved seeing my kids share their music with friends and family. The rechargeable feature is fantastic too. It lasts up to 10 hours on a full charge, which means uninterrupted fun. However, it's worth noting that while it's perfect for beginners, more advanced players might find it lacking in features. The vibrant rainbow design is a hit with kids, and it truly nurtures their musical talent. Why buy it? The Verktop Electric Drum Set is affordable, portable, and a great way to introduce your child to the world of drumming without taking up much space. Product number 4, Espoet Electronic Drum Set. The Espoet Electronic Drum Set is another excellent choice for young drummers. It includes 9 pads that replicate a full drum kit, offering a variety of sounds. I found the recording feature particularly exciting. It allows kids to capture their performances for playback. The sound quality is notable, with high-quality stereo speakers that deliver a great bass effect. With 10 adjustable volume levels, my kids could practice quietly without disturbing others. The set is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around for practice sessions at home or outdoors. However, it requires a bit of a learning curve for younger kids, especially with its multitude of features. I appreciated the inclusion of a headphone jack, which is perfect for late-night drumming sessions. In terms of price, at $36.99, it's budget-friendly, making it a great gift option. Why buy it? The Espoet electronic drum set is an engaging, versatile, and affordable way for kids to start their musical journey while developing their rhythm skills. Product number 5, Rocksaki Electric Drum Set. The Rocksaki Electric Drum Set is designed specifically for kids aged 5 to 9, and it's a total winner in terms of functionality and fun. The set includes all the essentials: 3 toms, a hi-hat, snare, ride, crash, and pedals to enhance the drumming experience. The dual stereo speakers provide clear sound, and the option to use headphones is a fantastic feature for quiet practice sessions. I loved how durable yet lightweight the set is. You can roll it up and take it anywhere, which is perfect for family outings. One downside is that it might not have as many sound options as some other models, but it still offers a solid range for beginners. The price point of $51.99 makes it an accessible gift for aspiring drummers. Why buy it? The Rocksaki Electric Drum Set is an ideal starter kit that's portable, user-friendly, and encourages musical exploration in younger kids. In conclusion, investing in an electronic drum set for your child can be a wonderful way to nurture their musical talent and creativity. Each of these 5 options brings something unique to the table, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every young drummer. Happy drumming!